Yeah, yeah. So since it's public holiday, I decided I want to clean all the fans in my house. So let's. So yes, me adding my liquid wash and I clean it. So the bucket I'm going to use. So here's the first fan in my sitting room. I will move to the second fan. So from here, I'm going to the rooms. I'm still cleaning here. Off to my kids' room. So after here, I could not clean my room because since it's public holiday, my husband is still sleeping. So I don't want to disturb him since he's always waking up early. So today is resting day to let him sleep. So from there I decided to change my sitting room
this rug,
center rug.
I change it.
So I have the smooth and the rough one. So here I'm going to change this. I do this every 3 months. So after today, it will be in December. So it says I'm removing it. So take it out and wash. I have to sweep, then mop. Even though I sweep there every time I sweep, so that's still dirty for enough from the rug. You know, as a mother with kid now, you have to, see dirty. So finish sweeping, I will mop the floor. Mop allowed to dry if I place the other rock. Oh, it's not easy. Hey. So here's my blanket, the other rock. This one is so heavy. Since I don't want to disturb my husband, I'll have to fix it myself. If not, we do it together. But hey, I tried. Yes, I can do it. So here's me after placing it, pumping. It's too heavy. So, well, that's what I do. Thank you for watching. And here's the other rock.
So I'll take this one out too.
I'll take it out for washing. Thank you and bye.
For December use.